Hi everyone, this is What's in My Truck Lift the Flap book by Scholastic. It's got over 30 flaps and it's a great book for toddlers. Trucks carry many things to a lot of different places. So this is the Dairyland truck and it shows you what products come from what sources. Now this is poultry and here we have eggs and this is cheese, this is yogurt, milk. This we get from animals. Milk, cheese, yogurt we get from cows. Hens lay eggs. So this is from animal sources. And this is again dairy products like ice cream, different kinds of ice creams. These are fruits, cakes, and vegetables. And then you can see what part of truck is this. This is the fuel tank. And then you can lift the flap and look inside the driver's cab. So this is the Dairyland truck. This is the red barn truck. So in the barn truck there are animals. This is one llama, 2 bunnies, 3 ducks. Along with lifting the flaps and teaching children to point out different animals, it also tells you to count them. This is 1, 2 bunnies here, 3 llamas here. And then here we have 4 goats and 5 pigs. And this is the toolbox and again the driver's cabin. For a toddler, you can just let them lift the flaps, point out what the things are and tell them. For older children, you can ask them questions and make them answer and all that. So this is the carnival truck. And this is the merry-go-round. I don't know what else you can call it. White horse, orange lion. This also teaches you colors. And this is like, can you find the blue teddy bear? And you can just ask your kids to point out the pink one, the green one. There are different animals here. There are cats, there are puppies. So it's point and talk. And again the driver's cabin. Now this is the water world truck. This is a fish tank. They have given you prompts on what you can use this page as an activity for your kid. This is another fish tank. Turtles, crabs, questions that you can ask your toddler, and driver's cabin. And where is the engine? It's right here. And this is the big city auto truck that is delivering different cars to a car dealership shop. So you can look inside the car. It looks like this on the outside, but inside you can see the seat, the steering wheel, the wheels, what's there in the boot, what's there in the engine. A race car kind of thing. This is like an antique car, family car. This has even a baby car seat. It's a motorbike, luxury car. So you can teach your kids all this. And this is again the bed where the driver can sleep, the driver's cabin, and that's it. It's a great book. The flaps are sturdy, the books are sturdy. Enjoy.